Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today, let's talk about how you can actually hide a subpage in your Webflow project. So for example, if you bought a template, there's a page you don't want to use, or there's a page you're still working on, and you don't want to show it to the Google search, but also to the people on your website. So there are a couple of considerations and things to know about this. So normally what we want to do is whenever we create a new page here in Webflow, we want to automatically index this site on Google. And to do this, there is a little feature in Webflow that is called sitemap, and the sitemap is automatically generated if this toggle is switched on. But what is the sitemap? So the sitemap looks like this. And as you can see, it is just a directory, a list of all the pages on your website. And for example, for the test page here that I created, this test page is also automatically added to your sitemap. That means the Google crawler goes to your website, takes a look at it and sees, hey, there's a new page. I want to show it in the Google SERPs. Sometimes you don't want that. And there are different ways on how to work around this in Webflow. So first option that you can choose, you can just say, okay, a page that you're working on is still in draft mode. And if you put the draft mode on here, and now I will publish the page real quickly, it means you are working on that page. It is not shown in the to the public and also not shown in the sitemap. As you can see here, it was gone. But sometimes, for example, it could also be the case that it's a page that shouldn't be in the draft mode. So you want to have it accessible for anyone that is out in the web and then goes to the website. That goes to the page itself. So for example, through that link here, but you don't want to have it in the Google search engine. Then you need to use a function that is called meta tags. And with meta tags, they help to give you or the Google crawler some context. And to do that, you need to go here to the settings, and then you scroll down to the head section here. And now we want to include some custom code. And the custom code that we want to include here is the meta robots text. And we want to set it to no index. What does it mean? This means whenever the Google crawler comes to this site on your website, they see, okay, I shouldn't index it. I shouldn't show it to the people that are searching on Google. And this is really, really easy. So I save this, then I will publish it. And now it is in the code of your website and Google won't index the page anymore. The page itself will still be here in the sitemap, but that doesn't matter because it won't be shown in the Google SERPs. And another thing that you can also use, and this is the third option, for example, you could create a folder and let's tell it like dev folder, for example, here. And I could then move over the page that I have, my test page here, into the dev folder. Okay, this is done. And now I can put a password onto my dev folder. So whenever someone tries to access the site, they will just see the password screen here. And I can show you also really, really quickly how that works. Okay, I've done it. Now I can take the URL, and whenever someone goes to that URL, they can't see it because it's in dev mode, or they will be asked for, okay, I need to save it first. They will be asked to put in the password. And yeah, that's basically how you will hide a page on Webflow. Here you can see protected page. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. If you want more videos on Webflow and marketing, make sure to follow. See you soon.